What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and there you can see that's a 2.1 multimedia desktop speaker. It's from Logitech, and this is a very old one, and the model number is S20. So this is a 2.1 speaker and very compact one. This is the subwoofer unit. It's a passive one, as you can see, and this is the left channel, only speaker is there, and this is the main unit. As you can see, the headphone socket, power on off switch, volume control, everything is in there, and the circuitry would be here inside this place, so you can understand how small the kit is, and the IC and the power, of course. The total power would be max 10 watt, I guess, 10 to 12 watt max RMS. So this is a 4-inch subwoofer and a very small one, and as this is a very old one, so I don't like the sound of this subwoofer, as this thing is very loud. The sound quality is good and very loud. So today I'm going to test this thing with this subwoofer. It's a big one, the 15-inch subwoofer. On that I'm sitting right now. As you can see, it's huge, and this thing may not look like the subwoofer enclosure, as actually it is not. This is the top enclosure, but I made it as a subwoofer, and this thing was working fine for a long time. And now the point is, this thing is like 4 ohms impedance and 300 watt RMS power, 15-inch huge subwoofer. So today we're going to see if the tiny speaker can drive this subwoofer or not. So as there is no subwoofer level control or anything like that, only one volume control is there. So that thing controls the channels and subwoofers, the overall sound. So cannot separately increase the bass or decrease it or increase it. You cannot do that. So let's see if it can works or no. So let's quickly connect this thing and check this out. That's the sound without the subwoofer. Now let me connect the subwoofer. And now let's check the sound. So that's the subwoofer sound. It's boomy kind of sound, not that heavy punchy bass there. So now let's connect the big boy right there, and then we're going to check this out. The nice thing is that this thing can power up that big subwoofer, and it is like pushing very hard, but at the same point the sound is kind of boomy, not that punchy deep bass. So this thing is like the bigger bass. We can hear the bigger bass, louder bass, but still the boomy kind of bass, and also the distortion is right there, which was happening in this small subwoofer too. Let's check that once again. kind of bass. The reason is the subwoofer filter, which is right there. So how much components they can fit in that small circuit board right there in that enclosure, a small one, and also that's not a class D amplifier, it's a class AB kind of amplifier. So the filter, subwoofer filter, is not that of good. So that's why the bass is like a boomy kind of bass, and also distortion is right there. But the maximum cutoff would be like 200 hertz for the bass, max cutoff. You cannot go beyond that. But if you go beyond that, then you'll get this kind of sound. But as I use in the AV receiver, the subwoofer cutoff frequency I set at 60 hertz. So when I watch movies and all, I get really like ground shaking deep bass. So for movies, we need that, and for you can say music and all, you can keep it at 80 hertz, maybe 90 or 100 max, but not more than that. This thing has like high cutoff frequency, that's why the bass is like this. So cannot help that out. And this is how this is, and we can accept that like this. So, but the point of making this video is this thing can drive this bigger subwoofer driver good, pushing hard. So that's it. That's all for today. In the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.